Morning everyone, it's the big day, off to Avalon Military Airshow. Got to get a bus, get a train, get a plane down there. We're going to land in the actual middle of the airshow. So I've got to get my shit together, get on the road, go and meet up with the crazy Benny and let the adventures begin. Coffee time, woo! Alright, so this is a little device I'll be taking around. A Smooth 4. Time for a time lapse. Follow me on the adventures. Let's go. I've got everything packed into one little day pack. Yeah, 4 days of survival. And maybe a yoga mat thrown in. I was just going to live in a hammock. It's going to be 37 degrees down in Melbourne. It's going to be insane. And also 17 will be the coolest, which is cool. That's fine. But yeah, not looking forward to that. That's about 100 Fahrenheit for you guys in the States. It's insane, just under 40 degrees. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right, all packed. Literally, that backpack, yoga mat. We're just gonna wing it down there. Air show, wing it. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go and meet Ben at the station. Have to pick up sunscreen. It's been damn hot there. I'm thinking of 2 hammocks, 3 trees, put it up, yoga mats, boom. This accommodation sold out for this thing 6 months ago. And let's see where it takes us. This is gonna be sick. Hammocks, yoga mat, pair of shorts, shirts, 4 days adventure. What could go wrong? Yoo-hoo! All right, short walk to the station. Just wanted to show you this. I used to walk past this tree when I went to school every day. It is the biggest eucalypt. Check it out. How big this thing is. It is a monster. You watch when I go past it. It's only one on the whole street left. All right. A few minutes more, I'll be at the station, jumping on a train and off to Sydney. Stay tuned. Here we are at Mascot, getting some food. Benny. Whoop, whoop. Benny just got a good deal. Drone hat. Thanks, Stu. Getting some food before we fly out. Benny just knocked a sleeping bag down from 20 bucks to 10 bucks. Bargain. We didn't bring any sleeping gear, so remember that. We haven't even got accommodation, so we'll work that out when we're tired. It's gonna be awesome. Last bit of good food before we go over to Mascot, just over there. Book in, then the next thing you'll see is us burning rubber. Say goodbye, Benny.
Adios, muchachos.
Time to rock. Left Benny over in the lounge. He had this 1,000-year-old blanket he was going to bring. I made him go to an op shop and buy a sleeping bag. This thing was ripped and ragged and weighed about 8 kilos. So we went and got that sleeping bag from 20 bucks down to 10 bucks from the second-hand shop. Alright. Let's go find Benny.
So much to say, but I just can't speak.